All right, everybody, welcome back. Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions. Here we are talking a little bit more in depth about our passive investing loan fund. In one of the prior segments, I mentioned something about a self-directed IRA. Someone then pinged me on social media asking me to dive into a little bit more detail about the fact that we do, in fact, take self-directed IRA money. And people were very interested to hear that. We actually have plenty of passive investors who fund their investment with Flip and Hold Funding's loan fund through their self-directed IRA. So, anyone that has an underperforming IRA, you can talk with our fiduciary. We deal with multiple fiduciaries. They're called intermediaries, fiduciaries, custodian companies, that their job is to work with you, the end user, to set up a self-directed IRA, doing all the compliance work, making sure that it works, with, the tax rules, make sure it's in total compliance. And then you can take that self-directed IRA and then invest it into Flip and Hold's passive investment real estate fund. We have numerous clients taking advantage of that via their self-directed IRA, and they are really enjoying the double-digit returns. And there's a whole level of added tax benefits as well when you run this through your self-directed IRA. So just a couple of bullet points here. A lot of people don't realize if you have a self-directed IRA and it's underperforming, you can actually roll that into a passive real estate investment like our loan fund, as I've already said. The process is easy. We put you in touch with one of our trusted IRA custodian intermediary companies. They work with you to get it set up. They make sure it meets all the compliance issues. And then, what does that mean to you? It means it's an easy transition. It means that you can grow your retirement safely with predictable double-digit returns through our loan fund every single month, all while staying, again, completely hands-off. And again, we have plenty of people that are taking full advantage of this. They love the fact that they can take their self-directed IRAs and roll them over, make them, take their IRA. If it's not already self-directed, make it self-directed, and then roll that IRA through an intermediary into Flip and Hold's passive loan fund. Reach out to us for more information on that. I can put you in touch with the custodian companies. I can put you in touch with other IRA holders who have been enjoying, having their IRA with us for years. Stay tuned. We're going to dive into some additional detail. I hope you're enjoying the deep dive into Flip and Hold's passive loan fund.